And a good Monday evening, Channel 14 movie watchers. I am your student meteorologist, Rob England, with your campus weather service forecast. Are you sure this is January? Well, it is January. Temperatures may not have felt like it is January this entire month. It was right around average for today, but just wait until tomorrow. Temperatures will be feeling more like April. That coming up next. Chance of showers for Wednesday, though, will still be on the warm side, just about as warm as it will be tomorrow. And cooler temperatures this weekend, but still temperatures will be above average. As we take a look at our almanac, we see for today we were right around average with a high of 34. The average was 35. And the low temperatures are right around average too. But take a look at the record high, 55 degrees. That is the record high for today, though, not tomorrow, but we will be approaching that 55 degrees coming tomorrow. Take a look at the temperature change. Look at Chicago, Kansas City, Minneapolis, 24 degrees warmer today than it was yesterday at this time in Minneapolis, and those warmer temperatures will be pushing its way into the northeast come tomorrow. Let's take a look at our eye on the sky forecast. It is cloudy for today, though, but look at Tuesday. Barely any clouds in the region, so make sure you get outside and enjoy the weather. And for Wednesday, some showers will be moving into our area. And as we take a look at the entire eastern seaboard, now look at this region of high pressure centered off the coast of North Carolina. The clockwise flow is bringing in warm air from the south, so that's why temperatures will be on the warm side tomorrow. Let's take a look at our 5-day forecast for Tuesday. Get outside. It will be very warm tomorrow, high of 53 degrees, and for Wednesday, it will still be warm, but there is a chance of rain, though. And for Thursday, which is Groundhog Day, there is a very slight chance of rain, only about 20% or so. So if you are heading up to Puxatawny to see the groundhog, temperatures and the weather should be fairly nice. And since it's only a very slight chance of rain, maybe that sun will peek through the clouds, so see his shadow, which would mean 6 more weeks of winter. We'll see. And for Friday and Saturday, temperatures still remaining above average for this time of year with mostly sunny skies. And one more thing, speaking of 6 more weeks of winter, we could be seeing a pattern change come the second week in February. So maybe old man winter will finally make its way into the Northeast. I'm Rob England. Have a great day.